Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about asymptotic notations in the subject designing and analysis of algorithms. And it is one of the tool used to in mathematical way of representing the analysis of algorithm. And we are going to find time complexity and space complexity of algorithms. And during the calculation of time complexity, we are using two steps. One is a frequency count, and second one is asymptotic notations. Number of steps or number of steps used in the algorithm that is used as a frequency count. Now we are using asymptotic notations, and we have mainly three asymptotic notations we are using. First one is big O notation, omega notation, and theta notation. So let's explain about them one by one. Big O notation, actually it represents the maximum boundary of the problem, or maximum time taken by the problem to solve. And it is also known as most frequently used notation, because during this notation we are covering minimum case notation and maximum case average, as well as average cases we will cover. And this is you can observe the graph is going to upward direction, that is reaches to upper boundary, and it is represented with f of n is less than or equal to c into g of n, and it can be represented as so you can see here. So f of n equal to big O of g of n, and after removing g, we got f of n equal less than or equal to some constant into g of n, and by substituting some constant values, we are going to get some satisfied conditions. So here you can see, let us consider c equal to 1. If it is substituted, it is not satisfying the condition, and let us consider c equal to 2. If you are consider and again substitute and check whether it is satisfied or not. So check all the values until it is satisfied, and here you can see the case c equal to 3. If you submit it, if you substitute it, then we got 2n square plus n is less than or equal to, definitely less than or equal to 3n square. And later we are moving to omega notation. Omega notation is considered as upper boundary. It is taking minimum amount of time for calculation of the problem, and here we can give the mathematical representation as f of n equal to omega of g of n. After removing that omega, you got f of n greater than or equal to c dot g of n, and it is giving minimum amount of time. And coming to the next one, theta notation. So theta notation is considered as the perfect notation or the average case notation we can use. So in this case, we are taking g of n is less than c into g of n less than or equal to f of n c into less than or equal to c into g of n. And not only these three things, we are also having little o notations. Thank you.